There are a lot of Jews that say that Judaism is the right religion because the curses and the blessings in Deuteronomy 28 can be verified historically until today.
Yeah, good.
Like now, the Jews have come back to Israel and they won against the Arabs when they were really outnumbered and things like this.
This is going to backfire against them. I'll tell you why. If you ask the Jews, why did God destroy the first temple and destroy Jerusalem? He says because of idolatry and because of immorality and murder. All right. And how long did he keep you in captivity? 70 years. And then you came back and he allowed you to build the second temple, right? Yeah. Why then did God destroy the second temple in Jerusalem in 70 AD and left you without a land for 1900 years and to this day has not allowed you to build the temple? What sin did you commit that was worse than the first crime? Because the first time the temple was destroyed and the city was destroyed, but you're allowed to come back within 7 years and rebuild. But whatever sin you committed that resulted in the temple being destroyed and Jerusalem destroyed, he left you homeless for 1900 years and he still left you without a temple till this day. What sin did you do that moved God to do this to you?
Okay, so the Christians will say that they reject, it's because they rejected Christ.
Jesus says in the Gospels, because they rejected me, I'm going to destroy Jerusalem and the temple and scatter them. That was one of the signs. He gave it. Matthew 23, 37, 39, Matthew 24, Luke 19, 41 to 44, Luke 21, Mark 13, Jesus says, this is the sign of God's judgment on them for rejecting me and hating me without a reason.